Hi, this is Mark with RPM Tesla, and today we're going to show you a brand new and simple way to install our center wheel wraps and our inner tees. It's a two-step process. First, we're going to get the caps off the car so you won't have to sit on the ground like I am. All you need is a simple rag and some Windex. Spray the center cap with a little bit of Windex, wipe it off so there's no debris on it, and take some duct tape. It's good to have a roll that's squishy and bendy. We'll get a little flex out of it and roll it upon itself. Make a little ball of old duct tape. Put the duct tape against the T, center cap. Press firmly and push it on and pull it off. There you go, simple. But first we're going to do the carbon fiber wrap. And the first thing you want to do is you want to squeegee it down so that it adheres to the front clear masking tape. Okay, everybody see that? Back tape, front tape. This is the front clear masking tape. Just simply line it up, line up the T looking through the decal, line up the T looking through the decal, lining up the black line, lining everything up so when you push it down you're good to go. There. Now the decal is on, and we're going to simply press it down, squeegee it, use a credit card, whatever you would like. All right. So once we get the decal down, we're going to roll around the outer edge with our thumbs and peel it off. This is the simplest installation and really easy on your hands and your fingers. Go around the edges, wrapping it around. So your carbon fiber wrap is going to look awesome when you pop it back in the vehicle. Okay, now let's say you want to put that on. Just simply insert it, smack it, put it on. If you want to insert the inner tee, which you might have bought from us in red, white, black, anything. This is all set up as a simple one-step install now, where we peel it off the decal and we line it up very carefully. Maybe not for the camera, but for my eyes. And I always start at the top, put it down into place. It's resting right on the aluminum cap. Once we're dead center, touch it at the top, line up the bottom, right in place. We have a perfect install, one try. And then we're gonna walk over to the car and go put it on. Sometimes you'll notice that it sticks to the masking tape more than it does to the aluminum, but just hold it down, get it started. And there we have it, ready to go on the car. Let's go walk back over to the silver Tesla Model S and show you how simple it goes in. Just line up the cap, good for photos with the T standing up, we always say. Line it up, smack it. There you go. Perfect match for the calipers. That's our bright reflective Avery red. Thanks again, rpmtesla.com.